YouTube, what's poppin'? I'm back with another banger. Well, mukbang banger. I got some, what else to make? Some scrambled eggs with some onions and peppers and sausage patties, and I chopped the sausage patties up into little pieces. So that's the video today. Well, whenever this comes up, and I got some coffee over here. Well, I gotta pour it, but got some coffee over here. 1 second, not 1 second, but 1 second. Hope everybody is doing well. I'm good, chilling. Oh, where is it? It's and the creamer is white mocha. Found it at the meat store. Pause. Not like that, but at the grocery store. I'm back. We're gonna say a prayer, and we're gonna get into this video. Alright. It won't be long, hopefully. Just wanna get something out. Amen. I don't know if y'all can see me. I need to get me another phone case, cause this one is all jacked up. The phone falling out the case. It's like, man. And don't worry about my bonnet, man. I know. Oh, man. My bad, my mom was calling. But I was saying, don't worry about my bonnet. I know. Hopefully I can get to the barbershop this week or next week. I'm leaning towards next week. Next week. I'm leaning towards this week. Hopefully I can get there, cause I need my hair now bad, and I need to shape up. But it don't look as bad when I comb it up, so a little bad right now because it's all over the place. But when I pick it out, it be straight. Coffee. Here, take a sip. Did you get it? Okay. Cool. My turn. Oh, I forgot to give y'all a first bite. Excuse me. A first bite of food, like Trey used to say. I don't know if y'all can see it good, but here you go. It's an egg. It's an egg. Well, y'all know what it is. I said it was eggs, scrambled eggs mixed with red onions and peppers, and yeah, frozen red onions and frozen red onions and peppers in the damn, hold on. In the bag. My bad, y'all. I be talking way too fast sometimes. And my words get all mixed up. There go cooked green onion right there. I'm about to go because I had to stop and start back recording because man, hold on. I had to stop recording because my mom was calling, so I don't know how long this video gonna be until I go edit or put some music behind it. Cause I don't edit. I need to do an intro and an outro, but I gotta figure out how to do it. Alright, I'm out. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified when I'm going live or dropping videos like these. And if y'all want, excuse me. Excuse me, but if y'all want to see more videos of me cooking, like a cooking video, just leave it. Matter of fact, leave these suggestions down below. What y'all want me to cook or what y'all want me to eat on camera. If I could do it, I will. But leave suggestions down below. Sometimes I can't pronounce words, but that's cool. Y'all get the gist of it. What I'm trying to say is not. That's your problem. But no, I'm just saying. But leave it down below if y'all want to see more cooking videos or what do y'all want me to eat? What do y'all want me to eat next? Just leave it in the comments. And don't forget to ask somebody how they doing, cause that goes a long way. Even if they don't respond, cause sometimes people don't respond. But if you say, "Hey, how you doing?" At least they know. But anyway, I'm out. Love y'all. Peace.